So hello friends, so welcome back again to my channel. So today we'll be going to look at the triangle chart pattern. Okay, so triangle chart pattern is again it's a breakout strategy, so it can either go upside or downside. Okay, so if you have a upside breakout with a very good volume, then you should go on long, and if there is a downside movement with a very good volume, then you should go on a short side. Okay, so let me explain what is a triangle pattern. Okay, so triangle pattern is like the length of the support and resistance level will get decreased going day by day, means like the resistance and support level will get means like support level will move higher and the resistance level move lower. Okay, so after a particular time period, so either the bulls or bears will take charge and they will make a breakout. Okay, so now I will show an example, one for the bullish breakout and one for the bearish breakout. Okay, so now I will be having an weekly chart of Infosys. Okay, so here you can see this. So let me connect uh, multiple lows, multiple highs. So here you can see that, so you can see that resistance level of this Infosys have been becoming lower day by day, means like for the every particular week you can see there is a resistance level moving down. So if you connect this level, it can act as a trend line as well, and this will be acting as a resistance level. Okay, so then again I'll be connecting this level, and this will act as a support. Okay, so now you can find out that the price have been moving ups and down between these two levels, and this is a triangle pattern. Okay, so whenever you find out that there is a breakout from this, either on the upside or downside, you can go on that breakout strategy. Okay, so here you can see that there is a very good big green candle which made with a very good volume over here. You can see, look at this. Okay, so after that might be the price can have a pullback to the towards this resistance level, and which might turn into one support. Okay, so whenever the price comes down to this level, there if there is a less lower volume, then you can take it as a uh, long position. Okay, so either you can take a long position over here, or else if you want a double confirmation, you can wait for the pullback. The pullback might happen or might not happen. Okay, so if you wait for the pullback with a, and if there is a pullback with a lower volume, we can go for a longer strategy as again. Okay, so this is a triangle pattern which is a breakout strategy, and this is of a bullish breakout. Okay, so let me explain you a bearish pattern as well. So here you can see this is a weekly candle of Tata Motors. Okay, so I'll be connecting the multiple highs. Okay, so this is a multiple highs, and also you can see that the highs have been moving lower and lower and going further times. Okay, so I'll be connecting the lows. Here you can see that the low have been also moving upper going forward. So here it initially it had a low of around 394, and then the support level has been shifted to the level of 437 or 438 levels. Okay, so now this has formed a triangle pattern again. Okay, so you can wait for the breakout on either on the upside or the downside. Okay, so here it made a breakout over here, and after that it made a pullback towards the trend line. Okay, so if you want a double confirmation, you can wait till this level, and you can also enter over here, or else if you are a aggressive trader, you can take the trade whenever you will be seeing the price breakout at the support or resistance level. Okay, so here you can enter level, and the stop loss you should maintain is like somewhere between middle of this triangle. Okay, so because you can see that there will be a pullback, so you should always maintain a SL anywhere between in between of this triangle pattern. Okay, so and also it will be good that if the breakout happens at least in before the 1/3, means like if that in this triangle pattern, at least you can the breakout should be before the 70% of the triangle. Okay, if you're having any breakout at this level, it's better to avoid, because it might be a um, fake breakout as well. Okay, So always wait for this, always have a confirmation that there should be a huge volume, and if there is a pullback with a lower volume, that is a double confirmation to go on this confirmation as a breakout, and maintain a stop loss somewhere between this triangle pattern, and the breakout should happen at least before the 70% of this triangle size. Okay, so this is about the triangle pattern. Okay, so there is two more triangle pattern, which is ascending triangle pattern and descending triangle pattern. So we will be uploading a new video for that, so please do subscribe our channel to get a notification whenever we are uploading a new videos. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.